Hello, my galactic hearts. How are you? Nicola coming at you. I've had an interesting 12 hours. I've written a poem. I've written a couple poems. And I'd like to share with you one that I wrote last night before bed about love. It has changed me, in fact, having this channel through, having this become a part of who I am now. I'm going to start with a few words that I've prepared. I found myself as love last night. For so long I've been apart from this truth. For so long I've lived in self-hate and self-judgment and criticism. For so long I've been incredibly disempowered in my forgetfulness. I've noticed myself lately slowly sliding down the mud bank, descending deeper and deeper into the depths of myself. And what I found, the deeper that I went, the further I slid. What I found was a deeper seat within myself that held nothing but love. Last night I wrote a poem about love. The title of this poem is The Nature of Love, and it was through this transmission I was able to slide further again down this mudslide. I feel that my consciousness has shifted. I feel a deep reverence and love for myself and for life. I see now that there is no separation between myself and love. I see now that I am love. Down here at the bottom of this mudslide, I feel peace. It feels serene, it feels easy, and even though it's just me down here, I don't feel alone. As I've descended down this mudslide, it's like I've been sliding back to source, back home, back to myself, back to love. Down here finally feels like I'm home. I've come back home to myself. I finally feel there is nothing outside of me that can ravage me in this moment, in this space. Here I see that everything is love, and whenever I fight what I think I don't like, I'm only fighting myself. And it is in this realization, this remembrance, this moment, that I feel true peace. I hope that you enjoy this transmission. The nature of love is the nature of us. So what is love? Does it have a color or a fragrance? Maybe to you or maybe to me. Maybe love is at once individual and universal. If not love that ties together the fabric of the universe, then what? If not love the most powerful force on earth, then what? How can such a thing be invisible yet so powerful, intangible yet so connective? But we can see love, and we do feel love, because we see it in the other. We see it in their eyes, their smiles, their sadness. We feel it as the only thing possibly strong enough to hold our worlds together. Love is the blaringly obvious way out of this beautiful escape room called life on earth. If love is the answer, if love is the key, what question is it answering and what lock is it opening? Right there all along, right there all along. The tonic to our torment, the medicine to our mind, the liberator to our longing, and the savior to our suffering. So we surrender to love, surrender to ourselves, surrender to life, humbly kneeling at the foot of the mountain, asking for help. We realize we are nothing without love, because everything is nothing without love. It is love, it is love, it is love that gives life meaning. So what is life before love? Is there such a thing? We see life before love as the true gift. We see how we've been so completely held in love's deep embrace, even when we had no idea of it. Love is the awakening, an awakening to love. Dear love, I lay down my armor, I lay down my weaponry, I lay down my attempts to control, and I offer you everything. All that I am, have been, ever will be, is yours, is for you. This is all for you. I see you now in all your deep presence and glory. I see you now gently, beautifully, ever present, awaiting our return of remembrance. I see you now in every space, in every moment, in every nook and cranny. I see you now in me. So I kneel at the base of the mountain that is me. I stop shielding myself from me. I surrender freely to me. I free myself to me. Nothing is left. There is nothing left. Alone and together, together as one, reunited and returned as the great love. I love love. I am love. I am love.